Alright, let's start the inspection. We need to check the diameter and length closely.
And ensure there's no
warnings. We're checking the cassava pulp consistency and moisture content. The handheld meter confirms the levels.
As dried hot cassava enters the cooling screw conveyor, ambient air is blown through. The temperature rapidly reduces.
The hammer mill uses high-speed rotating hammers to pulverize the dried cassava chunks into fine flour.
Through initiatives like solar energy and water recycling, we've reduced consumption by 80% and
Our commitment to fair wages and advanced training has created hundreds of local jobs, strengthening the community through partnerships with local farmers.
With this expansion, we're positioned to lead the market in gluten-free innovation, starting with our new cassava product line.